The data center is more complicated than it ever was. There's more layers of things to troubleshoot. Devices are now being packaged as a system, yet they're not typically managed as a system. So root cause becomes a difficult thing to solve. When something breaks, is it the virtual layer, is it the physical layer, and how those interrelate. And so all these layers of application, virtual machine, virtual network, real storage, all those layers become a big challenge from a management perspective, and troubleshooting requires very good tools. So we find that is our #1 challenge, is when it breaks, it's hard to find that needle in the haystack. We of course do look at all technologies that are available. We've looked at open source things like Nagios and other technologies. We find that many of the products out there are very device focused. They're not system focused. And they also don't have the APIs or capabilities to build a converged managed system. And so the CA Unified Infrastructure Manager product gave us all of those capabilities, both the APIs and the ability to extend it. With UAM, I would say that one of the key architectural implementations that it's attractive to us is the ability to separate the probe functionality and the display functionality. And separating those two things gives us flexibility in how we develop the solution. So we can build a portal and integrate that on the portal side of UAM, the user interface, but we can build a different solution for the probe collection that is less UI-centric, because UAM takes a lot of that requirement for us to develop that, takes it away with the probe concept. We built a probe that lets you manage virtual and physical aspects of converged infrastructure as if it was a single device. So we manage the entire thing as one system, and we present that inside UAM's portal infrastructure and collect alarms, inventory, and other things that customers need to manage and root cause their environment. So Marketplace at CA is going to help us reach CA customers, get our software solutions in a marketplace where we can transact sales with customers that are looking for that solution. But it also gives us exposure, and we see our development opportunities increasing over the next 3 to 5 years.